Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the tanned leather in Windrose. First of all, in the discovery, make sure you found the tree bark in the foothills forest biome, which is going to unlock the tannin, the tanned leather and tanning rack. First of all, in the alchemy table, we can make the tannin from a clay bottle, which is made from clay, and some tree bark, which is gathered from DVDV trees in the foothills biome with an iron axe. After that, we want to craft the tanning rack, and here you'll see the tanned leather, on which you'll need 3 times rough hide and 1 tannin. The rough hide can be gathered from boars or wolves, and we can go ahead and craft it. This is going to take some while. And this is pretty much all how you get tanned leather in Windrose. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.